Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 14 classes and objects part 3. Today we will learn about the characteristics of constructors and destructors. First, characteristics of constructors. The name of the constructor must be same as that of the class. So, constructor name and class name should be same in the program. Next, no return type can be specified for constructor. So, constructor will not return anything. Next, a constructor can have parameter list. So, we can define arguments in the constructors. And next, the constructor function can be overloaded. So, we can have many constructors in a class. And next, the constructor is executed automatically when the object is created. So, once object is created, the constructor will be executed automatically without any call. And last, the compiler generates a constructor in the absence of user-defined constructor. So, these are the characteristics of constructors. Next, characteristics of destructors. The destructor has the same name as that of the class prefixed by the tilde character. So, destructor also will have the same name as class name but prefixed by the tilde symbol. Next, the destructor cannot have arguments, but constructor will have arguments, whereas destructor will not have any arguments. Next, it has no return type. Next, destructor cannot be overloaded. So, in a class, only one destructor function we should have, whereas for constructor we can have many. Next, in the absence of user-defined destructor, it is generated by the compiler. Next, the destructor is executed automatically when the control reaches the end of class scope to destroy the object. So, the destructor will be executed automatically without any call, and its purpose is to delete the object. So, these are the characteristics of destructors. Next, look at this example program. It is given in your book, page 244. This is a very important 5-mark question. In the question paper, they will ask you to write the output for this program. So, in the given program, the class name is simple and the constructor for this program is simple of function, and the destructor for this program is tilde symbol then simple of function, that is given above the main function. Remember, in the program, always the constructor function will be executed first and the destructor function will be executed at the last. So, first the constructor function simple of will be executed. In that, A value is assigned as 0 and B value is assigned as 0. Next, cout statement. So, constructor of class simple will be displayed in the output first. Next, in the main function, the object created for class simple is what? S. Next, s.getData is given. So, now the control will move to void getData function. In that, cout statement, enter values for A and B is given. So that line will be printed in the output. Next, through cin, I am getting the values 6 and 7 for A and B. Next, from the int main function, s dot put data is called. So now the control will move to void put data function. In that cout statement, the two integers r is given. So that line will be printed. Then a value as 6 and b value as 7 will be printed. Then in the next cout statement, the sum is equal to is given. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So that will be displayed. And at last what will be executed? Destructor function will be executed. So in that cout, destructor is executed is given. So that line will be displayed in the output. So this is how this program gets executed. Next, today's assignment question is list out the characteristics of constructors. So with this, I conclude our class today. Thank you.